Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts, then remove any intake duct or trim that blocks the headlight. Use a flashlight to inspect mounting points and wiring harness orientation so you know what to undo. Once the intake is out, locate the visible screws and any plastic clips. Use the correct bit to avoid stripping. Make sure to keep fasteners organized for reassembly. This immediate access step prevents guessing later and makes the next removal actions straightforward and safe. You now remove the headlight mounting hardware methodically. Back out bolts and screws while supporting the assembly with one hand so it doesn't drop. Then unplug every connector, headlamp bulb, parking lamp, leveling motor, pressing retainers and wiggling gently to free stubborn plugs. If clips hold the bezel, use a trim tool to pry evenly. Once done, tilt the assembly forward and free any tabs. Keep connectors labeled or photographed, so the wiring goes back exactly as it came off when you reassemble. You finish by sliding the headlight forward, clearing the remaining tabs and lifting the assembly straight out. Once removed, inspect the gasket and bulb sockets for wear and check alignment tabs so reinstallation aligns properly. When reinstalling, reverse the steps. Seat the unit, reconnect harnesses, torque bolts to spec, and reconnect battery. If the light does not work after installation, first check the connector fit and fuse, if still dead. Test the bulb and wiring with a multimeter to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.